Alright, so what I'd like to help everyone with today is demonstration of how to start your 4.0 Explorer. This is a 2005 with screwdriver, or in this case I'm going to be using a painter's tool, and I wanted to do it in a way that is a little more precise than some of the videos I've seen where they don't really actually show you exactly what you're going to be doing. So if you know you could do this, from years ago, but don't remember exactly how, or if you've heard about it and aren't exactly sure, this is how you do it. And I'm accessing it through the driver's side wheel well, front wheel well, which if your arm is of average length, you should have no problem doing. This, what we're looking at right here, is the starter solenoid. Solenoid is on top with the red protective cap on it, and we're going to be using see if I can get a better view here. We're going to be using the smaller post that has the ignition hooked up to it via the wiring that goes to the ignition relay, and that large black wire on the top is your positive battery power to the starter. Alright, so what we're going to be using is this painter's tool, just because it's a lot easier to connect those two posts via the tool blade than it is with a screwdriver trying to maneuver it in that compartment. That simple. Obviously the key has to be turned to the start position, and when you've gotten where you want to go, turn the key off and stop the engine. Once again, that's an Explorer 4.0. You do have to move this little protecting cover to access starter and solenoid. This should be the same on an 02 to 05 Explorer or Mountaineer. Might be a wider range of years than that, but for the most part 02 to 05 are the same. That's the 4.0 single overhead cam engine. Right. This has been helpful. Please hit like and subscribe, and thanks for watching.